US don bomb 3 nuclear sites for inside Iran. Welcome to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go alert you of our updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, this Israel-Iran war, sort of, e dey get many people dey worried. Dem go dey ask themselves, wetin don cause this fight between these two nations, wey be say today countless lives and properties don dey destroyed. Israel dey accuse Iran say e dey harbor genocidal intentions, while Iran on their part dey accuse Israel say e dey conduct genocide for Gaza. Because of this one, Israel dey seek sanctions and military action against Iran to stop am from acquiring nuclear weapon. Israel dey consider Iran threat to the Middle East stability, and e dey target Iranian assets for assassinations and airstrikes. But this year 2025, the hostility don escalate to armed conflict. Iran on their part, dey say they attack Israel because na Israel first bomb their embassy for Damascus on 1st of April, and that bombing e come by 2 Iranian generals. The strike, dey see am as spillover of the Gaza war, and e come mark Iran first direct attack on Israel since the start of that conflict when they dey do by proxy. The conflict don dey escalate as the United States of America don choose to support their ally Israel, and from the report wey e dey enter now, President Donald Trump don talk say United States don bomb 3 nuclear sites for Iran. Trump, for im social media post early on Sunday, e dey talk say the US military strike the nuclear facilities wey e dey for Fordow, Natanz, and Isfahan. The development don bring the United States direct entry into the Israel week-long military campaign to destroy Iran nuclear enrichment facilities. According to Trump, he say we don complete our very successful attack on the 3 nuclear sites for Iran, including Fordow, Natanz, and Isfahan. Na so Trump take put for e X handle wey e be formerly Twitter. According to the United States President, wey dey call POTUS, President of the United States, he say all planes wey e go that assignment, dey outside of Iran airspace now. He say a full payload of bombs dey drop am on the primary site Fordow, and all planes dey safely on their way home. He say this one no go get another military for the world wey e go fit do this one except America. He say na now be the time of peace. For one separate post, Trump come talk say e go address Americans on the strikes, and he describe the attack as a historic moment. The US president come tok say Iran go agree by force to end dis war. E say the Islamic Republic dem go hit dem again if dem no embrace peace. Iranian government officials dem don confirm the attacks on their nuclear sites according to their news agency report. The spokesperson for crisis management for Iran Qom province, Morteza Aidari, dem quote am wen e tok say part of the Fordo nuclear plant, e say enemy airstrikes don attack am. Akbar Salehi, the security deputy governor of Isfahan, e also tok, e say dem see attacks near the nuclear sites of Isfahan and Natanz. Iran don previously vow say dem go retaliate if the United States join Israel on the military campaign. Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, the Iran supreme leader, e don warn the US say any strike wey e target im country, e go result for irreparable damage for dem. Iranian foreign ministry spokesman Esmail Bagheri don also threaten an all-out war for the region if America join the war. Country people, una see how the tori dey play out. Iranians dem don talk beforehand say e go turn to full-scale war for the region, for the Middle East, if America join the war. And Trump, e don join already now with this preemptive move wey dem do. Trump na one president wey e believe say you no go fit threa ten America. Na make am talk say na only America na go fit do wetin dem don do so to go bomb Iran nuclear sites and dem come out successfully. Wetin dey left to see now na whether Iran, as their supreme leader Khomeini don talk, go fit do retaliatory attacks on America. And you go fit sit down imagine wetin that one go cause. E go just lead to the third world war wey dem don dey talk since when we small dey come. Country people, this scenario e dey disturbing because na leaders, according to as dem dey put am for our local language, na elders go start war, but na the youths go fight the war. All these leaders now, when e dey make vows and pledges to strike and retaliate, you go discover say these leaders, whether Donald Trump or Ayatollah Khamenei, dem no dey fight for this war. Na their citizens, the soldiers, elite forces, na dey go put their life for harm's way. That na why this armed conflict e dey call for circumspection, because by the time the situation escalate from the Middle East, e go plunge the entire world for world war. And that no be the prayer wey we suppose to dey pray at this time, because you go fit know when the war go start, you no go tell when e go dey end.